Young people don't respect martial arts. Delicious food is just whooshing by. How did you end up standing there?
He didn't pay attention when I was walking. He just crashed into me.
Then as I was walking, I quickly jumped out, didn't I?
You didn't turn around. I was originally in this hole. How could this large intestine hit your car door? It will only rear-end you from behind. Why are you standing at the back? How did you end up standing next to me?
Right? Videos on the B.
If this rebar was any heavier, wouldn't people die? This guardrail is so long. It went right through the middle of my car. It went right through the front of my car. I'd like to ask you something. Did you just crash into it yourself? I crashed it myself. It's because your roadblocks weren't set up clearly.
That caused me to crash. Did you see me on that road?
But that means I will see it next time. I don't know why you're making a fuss.
Don't you have any conscience? Why do you have to do this?
And even say things about us, the owners, right now. Do all of us owners have to see this? What color is the asphalt road right now?
And what color are your streetlights? Oh my God.
You have four-wheel drive?
Why are you driving so fast, bro? You need that X5. You got something? This car, damn. I'm obedient. Listen to what people say. Sleeting today. You guys are really dedicated, aren't you? This nut is 120 qualified.
There are no bottom four.
He's like that because it's sleeting today. You guys are really dedicated, aren't you?
They're still checking for drunk driving in such cold weather.
Look at how ugly that is.
Brake, tap 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 brake. The road is covered with a layer of ice. Then the car car suddenly lost control. I often watch car accident warnings before. The traffic police said in this video, I'll tap whatever needs to be tapped. The steering wheel has lost control.
This way of his really stumped him. Danger, 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 danger. He said it even faster.
You'll just crash into the car behind you. Driving isn't about skill.
It's about safety.
Put a piece of cardboard underneath it.
Won't it break the electricity?
Can't even pry it off.
It's all stuck there. What do we do? One side is full of joy, feeling smug.
One side with hands clasped together
Is just forgiveness. Homer puts on a military uniform and the Moors sit in the high hall.
Iron Cavalry, calling himself a phoenix.
After thousands of calls before appearing on stage. Wow, that crashed into a small car. A small car underneath. Along the road.